This video is sponsored by Detector Warehouse. Visit their website at detectorwarehouse.com for all your metal detecting needs. This week on Two Sisters Metal Detecting.
It's mid-January. It's in the 30s, but we are out metal detecting today because the sun is shining and there's no snow falling down. That's about my criteria these days. Oh, and the ground has to be softer than a brick. Well, we decided to come visit some local tot lots. But instead of going in the tot lots that have been very heavily searched in this area, I decided to search around the tot lots and around a few other things too. The basketball courts, the tennis courts, and just see what we can find. We'll catch you at our first signal.
All right, our first signal. Nice strong 80, 81, 82. Should be right in there somewhere. All right. Let's see what we get for our first signal. Heard a beep. Move some of these leaves. It's going to be really small, whatever it is. Maybe a dime turn on end. Really tiny. Just barely picking it up. Still in the hole. Oh, I think I see an edge. Here it is. Oh, it's a copper penny. What a nice way to start the day. Let's see if we can get a date off of this one. Well, it's a memorial. All right, 1960, so we just missed getting a Wheatie by 1 year. All right. Well, into the pouch for you. Let's see what else we can find. Here we go, signal number 2. $79.80. When I got my gloves on, it's a little chilly out today. It's about 39, 40 degrees. And it's a little cold. We are close. It's right in here. And I see it. And it's copper penny number 2. 1962. This one's in a lot better condition. All right, into the pouch for you. Or sorry, into the container for you. Let's see what else we can find. Something's all over the place. Let's see what this is. It sounds like it's probably going to be some trash. Let's see. Where did you go? Oh, over here? Definitely sounds trashy. Where did you go? Oh, you're over here. Okay, this is it. It is definitely a big piece of curved metal. See if I can get a little light on you. Wow, that would not be good. Some little kid landed on that. All right, into the pouch for you. Clean the environment day. Next signal. Nice solid 62. Right there. All right. Was it in the clump? Oops. Oh yeah, most definitely in the clump. That side? No. This side. It's in this part. It's getting smaller. Break it in half. Ah, and I think I see it. I see the edge right there. And it's a penny. Whoops. Dropped it. There we go. It's a zinc penny. Memorial, but a zinc penny. All right, into the container with the other ones. Let's see if we can find some more. Well, every now and then, when you're out metal detecting, you just happen to look down and you see something on the ground. You see this? And it's a bracelet. Oh my goodness, and it looks like a really nice one too. Wow, that is pretty. It's got light blue stones in it. Really nice settings too. I don't see any markings on it offhand, but this could be gold. This is really beautiful. It definitely could be gold. Looks like they broke this end of it. Well, maybe not. Looks like it's maybe aquamarine for the stones. We'll clean it up and let you know. Post a nice picture of it after we run it through the jewelry cleaner and see what it is. But it sure looks like gold. Wow. Wow, wow, and wow. It looks like gold. Got ourselves a nice 10 right here, 910. The last one we dug was a little tiny bolt or nut, the little part that screws on. Not the part, the stem, but the part that screws on. Okay, I don't see anything in here with the pen pointer. Dig ourselves a little plug here with my CKG hand shovel. Oh, and don't forget to make sure you subscribe to the channel. We are giving away a CKG finds pouch at the 1,000 subscriber mark. Oh, I just heard a beep. Might be in the plug here. It's free to subscribe. That's all you have to do. And once we get our 1,000 subscribers, excuse me, we will give away that CKG Finds pouch. Very nice one. Certainly. Whoa. There we go. Pull the other half of the plug up. Looks like our 910 is in here. No, that's not it. That's a piece of plastic. Where did you hide? I heard you. Well, maybe it was that. Yep, that wasn't a piece of plastic after all. Huh. Guess I should have looked at it more carefully. It's actually a side off of a pair of sunglasses. And it does have some... Oh, look. Looks like they were Ray-Bans. Cool. Well, they're not very fancy anymore. Nice solid 27. Nice and shallow too. It's right here. Not quite on the surface, but pretty darn close. Sorry about all the noise. That's a garbage truck. Ah, it's in the clump. It's on this side of the clump. Oh, I think I see it right there. Ah, it's our first nickel for today. Yeah, much better than a pull tab. And it's one of the new ones where Jefferson's face is over on the left. Awesome. That's our first nickel for today. Now we only need a dime and a quarter to finish the circuit. All right. It's good signal. It's around at 80. It's bleeding a little bit around the line, but it's shallow, so we are going to go after it. Let's see if we can catch it with our pinpointer. I love my AccuPoint. It gets about 3 or 4 inches at least down. And a lot of times I don't even need to use the pinpointer on my Manicore, because oops, look right there. And it just popped right out. Awesome. Well, at an 80, this is definitely a copper. What year is that? 1958. Oh, this is a Wheatie. Oh, awesome. 1958 wheat penny. Wow, that rang up pretty high. Awesome, awesome sauce. Look at that. It's a beautiful condition too. I think it even has a mint mark. If you could see it, put it in the comments. Awesome, awesome. A wheat scent. Awesome. All right, into the pouch with you. I collect wheat pennies, so this is a really good find for me. All right. And let's see if we can't find some more of those. That would be cool. Got a nice 60s. A little bit higher into the 70s in this direction. Okay, let's see what we can pick up here. Nothing on the pinpointer. I'll take a couple scoops out. Okay, where'd you go? There you are. Ah, we got a bottle cap. One of those little tiny liquor bottle caps. All right. We'll put that in with the rest of it. Let's see. Okay, we got 34.35. Looks like it's right there. Right there. Let's see what this 34.35 is. It's a little bit deeper than I dug my hole. A little bit deeper. I think I see it. Oh yes. My day is complete. I have a pull tab. Got the bottle cap, pull tab, perfecta today. All right, into the pouch for you. Clean the environment. A nice, very solid 79.80. Both directions. Nice solid circle on the line. Gonna dig this one. Don't be another pull tab. Usually not that high of numbers, but you never know. Some of those big ones give you really high numbers. All right, let's see what we can do with this hole. All right, what will it be? It's a 79 or 80, and it is a penny. At 79.80 should be a copper. 1964 copper penny. Awesome, we got quite a few 60s and even a copper wheat out of this park today, along with a beautiful gold necklace. I've had a spectacular day. For mid-January, I never even expected to be able to come out and dig anything, much less go out and find a gold necklace. But we're enjoying our beautiful day. At the park today, it couldn't be nicer. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!